Hey guys, so I had a real quick announcement I wanted to jump on and talk to you about. As you may have heard, we will be doing distance learning through the end of April pretty much. They just announced yesterday. So today what I would like you to do is really take a moment and one, make sure you are good with everything in Google Classroom. Make sure you've gone through and you have submitted all your assignments. Once you submit your assignment, you'll notice that the little circle will be grayed out. If you have not submitted something or have not checked something, it'll be like a brownish color. So kind of check that and see where you're at on your assignments. I'm also going to be attaching a Google form for you right below in a link. If you have any technical difficulties, that is where I'd like you to put your technical difficulties, because some of you are emailing me and reaching out to me, which is great. I'm getting right back to you, but I need a little bit more specifics, like if you're on a phone or if you're on a computer, because it does make a difference if you're using an app or if you're web-based with doing and completing some of your work. So if you have any technical difficulties whatsoever, first thing you should do is fill out this technical difficulties form for me, and then I will get right with you, usually through Remind text message or email. Today is going to be a day where I'd like you to check your work, and I'd also like you to make up any work or ed puzzles that may be late or that you have not completed. I am documenting everything on those, how long you've watched the videos for, if you've completed them. So please take some time to do that today. Um, I also am available. I'm going to be posting my office hours in the description of this post, but I'm available every day from 9 o'clock to 9:30, 12:30 to 1 o'clock, and 3:30 to 4 o'clock, whether it is to phone conference or video conference. Now, an easy way to do that, guys, is just to download Google Hangouts, and you'll be able to see that I'm on there. If you start to type Obregon, you'll see that I'm on there. You can just message me. If you actually want to call me, you can call me on there, or we can also video and talk that way. But I will be posting those times in this description. So take the time today to make up your work, make sure everything is fully complete. I still have some students that you've done some things, but not other things. So make sure you've done all that for me. Help your younger brothers and sisters with some of their work that they're trying to complete for this week, and or getting onto devices or whatnot. And please reach out to me if you have any questions or comments. I will be on Google Hangouts. You can message me or video with me on there, and I'll post the times one more time for you. Miss you guys. Y'all take care.